So what are the best approaches for entering field? I have 5 pieces of advice I would encourage you to remember that will help you make field a successful learning experience. As you participate in field, I would encourage you to embrace what you are learning, even though it will likely be different from what you expect. Be active and curious in your learning. The more you put into every field experience, even if it is different from what you expected, the more you will get out of it. The second piece of advice is learn to function with discomfort and anxiety. Dealing with difficult situations and circumstances is the nature of our profession. It's important for you to be aware that you'll encounter situations where you'll experience a range of emotions, including frustration and anxiety. Please know that this is normal and expected. A critical aspect of becoming a social worker is developing the skills and ability to function effectively in your social work role, even when you are triggered and your emotions are high. Learning how to lean into this discomfort, asking for help when needed, and self-reflection are essential skills that you must develop and will use throughout your social work career. Third, take risks and be willing to make mistakes. A phrase I like to use, Third, take risks and be willing to make mistakes. A phrase I like to use is, perfect is the enemy of the possible. Your best learning will occur if you are willing to take some risks and understand that you're going to make mistakes. You'll never be perfect, and expecting this from yourself and others will only create unnecessary frustration and can actually lead to burnout. Social work is a field of gray, where every situation is unique. Your professors and your field instructors won't be able to provide you a script to follow, but rather you'll need to be able to use critical thinking in the moment and integrate learning and your previous experiences to be optimally effective. Please understand, this takes time. So even if you are uncertain of exactly what to do, we encourage you to not hang back, but rather take risks and say yes to opportunities and new challenges. Fourth, you need to be patient with all that you have to learn. To be frank, there's no way for us to teach you everything there is to know about social work during the 12 or 16 months you'll be in the program. Our hope is that when you graduate, you'll be an excellent beginning social worker. After graduation, you'll need 2 years of additional supervised experience in order to become a fully licensed social worker and practice independently. Remember, this is a lifelong learning profession. Please understand that it's expected that learning in field progresses over time, from exposure to immersion to supervised independence. You need to be patient with this process. We encourage you to have open dialogue with your field instruction team to understand the pace and approaches that best fit your learning and the needs of the field site and the clients and communities you are serving. Finally, we need you to want, seek, and use feedback. I think all of you would say you'd want our faculty and your field instructors to give you feedback if they have concerns about how you're doing. Yet when you receive this type of feedback, it doesn't always feel good, but please don't shy away from it. In fact, you should ask for feedback often, be thankful when you get it, and always be willing to self-reflect and use this feedback to enhance your learning and the development of social work skills. Explore early in your relationship with your field instructor and your field faculty how you best receive feedback. I would also encourage you to discuss with them the best way for you to be able to give feedback to them, especially if you have concerns. As you begin the MSW program in field, please know that the faculty and staff in our office are dedicated to supporting you as you develop the fundamental skills and competencies of the social work profession. In addition to your field placement, we offer a foundation seminar course, workshops, mentoring meetings, and individual drop-in opportunities to further this goal. We look forward to working with you, and we are excited to welcome you to the University of Michigan School of Social Work and the social work profession.